Let your living water flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. All my cares and burdens onto you I roll. Let the living water flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled my mind. Oh, all my cares and burdens onto you I will sing. Jesus, Jesus, call him Jesus, call him Jesus, sing to Jesus, we say Jesus, your name is Jesus. Oh, sing to the Father, Father, Lord, Father, Father. Oh, blessed the Holy Spirit. We call him Spirit of God, Holy Spirit, Spirit of God, from the throne of mercy this morning, Lord. Hey, call him Jesus. You are Jesus. Yes, it's Jesus. Yeah. Oh, say, you are Yeshua. Yeshua. Joshua. Yeshua. Al-Mashiach. Oh, we call him Yeshua. Call him. You are Yeshua. You are Yeshua, Lord. Yeshua. 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 Al-Mashiach. Yeshua. You are Yeshua. You are Yeshua. We call him Yeshua. Yeshua is the name. Oh, let the living water flow over my soul. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled our mind. Oh, all my cares and burdens onto you I roll. Let the living water flow down this place. Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation that has troubled our mind. Always sing, all my cares and burdens onto you I will call him Yeshua. Yeshua. Joshua. Al-Mashiach. We call him Most High God. Yes, you are. Yes, you are the Lord. Yes, you are the Lord. You are the Lord. Yes, you are. Yes, you are the Lord. Right, Kapalia Masute Kapalia. Jerry Mosteria. Ghost, we bless your name. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yes, you are the Lord. Yes, you are the Lord. Yes, you are the Lord. The Most High. Yes, you are the Lord. Lift up your hands, everybody.